Hello dear friend. Now I'm going to record a video and to teach you how to fix the wires, how to make the connection of the electricity for the diesel engine powered of the soil screen machine. It's also called a soil sieve machine for the soil, rolling inside. So now you can see now here is the screen machine over here, and this one is the reducer, and this one is the reducer, and here is the diesel engine, So the working situation will be like this. The working situation will be like this. This one is the soil screen machine, and over here is the reducer, the gearbox, and over here is the diesel engine power, the diesel engine. Here is the iron frame, the iron steel frame, and this one is the chains. The chains is connected by the gearbox with the the shaft of the screen, right? Shaft of the screen. And under the frame, there's the battery. Here's the battery. Here's the battery, right? Here's the battery. I want to show you how to connect her. And you can see here the red wine and the green wine they are already fixed onto the starter. Here is the starter. Here is the electric starter. Those one electric elements is fixed already to the starter, so there's no need for you to remove or do any other adjustment. What you need to do is you just use this the line. Yes. What you need to do is just this line. Use this red line to connect the starter here. This one. So what you need to do is you just remove this screw, right? Remove this screw and just put this the templates, the iron templates in the middle of this, and to tie it again, and tie it again. Okay. And this red line, 你给它续续，从上面，yes, this line, yeah, we are good to be the battery positive, the positive position will be good is the battery positive the position, right? Okay, and another one, the battery negative, you see, 那么好。Yeah, 你留了先 ，Yeah， 再留一遍 ，Yeah， so the battery negative position, this line, right? Yes, will be good to here. 等一下 ，Yes, will be good to this. Yes. Okay, that's all. That's the tips of the electric wires connection. And the belt. So before you try to fix the belt, and the belt is means this belt. The diesel engine, the pulley, will be drive with the pulley with the gearbox, right? So Yes. 对 Yes. So the time you try to fix the belt to be the well. So at the same times, the diesel engine hasn't been fixed already, right? Hasn't been fixed yet. So now you can see the workers is working on fix the screw. Try to fix the diesel engine with the iron frame. At the same time, you try to place the nylon belt, together with the gearbox with the engine, right? Like this. Yeah. So you have to keep the belt to be straight. You have to keep the belt to be straight. So at the same times, you try to fix. At the same times, you have to fix the diesel engine together with the iron frame. At the same times, while you adjust the diesel engine, while you are adjusting the position of the diesel engine, and you will fix the belt at the same time. And now this worker is trying to give the power. This worker is trying to give the power to push the diesel engine and try to make the diesel engine a little long. No, it's a little far from the belt, from the reducer. This one reducer. At the same time, this worker will fix the diesel engine at the same time. So yeah, now it's fixed all. And then you will fix the remaining 3 screws to be tight. That's all. You see, this one is the diesel engine, but before you using, you have to check whether there's lack of the engine oil here. Yeah, you have to check it whether whether it's this one is maximum, right? This one is the high location and this one the low location. So yeah, you check it maybe between in the middle size of this meter, or to be the maximum, the highest location. That's all. Before you use the diesel engine, you have to check whether the engine oil is filled or not. And this one is the diesel. Yeah, this one is diesel tank. Yeah. So you have to fill the diesel oil inside before you use it. That's all. And before you use it, and yeah, you have to open this and check whether there's a lack of the gear oil. You have to fill the gear oil inside. This one, you have to fill the gear oil inside. fill it to be full. Fill the gear oil to be full. Okay, that's all the preparation the works you have to do before you switch on the soil screen machine. Now you fill the diesel, the gasoline, diesel. This one the diesel tank. Now the video I'm recording now is for the screen, the sieve. This particular soil screen machine is powered by diesel engine, like this one. This one diesel. If your area is rich with electricity power, so that means it's not necessary for you to buy the machine which is powered by diesel engine. But if there's no electricity at your area, so we suggest you to choose the variant of the diesel engine. This one, diesel motor, diesel engine, will be drive by the belt with the reducer. This one, the reducer, a screw. And this one is our M7 M1, the soil interlocking brick machine. It's also called a compressed earth block machine. This one is the air filter. This one is the air filter. So normally we will fix by these 3 screws. And if the volume is not enough, if the volume is too big, that means we will remove these parts before we deliver it. But normally the air filter will be fixed together with the engine. That's no problem. Now you fill the gear oil inside the gearbox. So you will buy the new gear oil and fill them into the gearbox, and make sure to ensure this gearbox is full of the gear oil.知道这是人了吧？